Hey, good morning, family. This is Darlene. I hope everybody is doing well on this beautiful Tuesday morning. Before the video started, I didn't get a chance to drink my drink, so I'm gonna sip on it real quick. Every morning I put I pre-make it: cayenne pepper, lemon juice, water, and then I drink. I drink this with a little olive oil every morning with some what's that called stuff called with some sea moss. So I literally drink the entire bottle. Sometime I'll put some some maple syrup in it, just a little bit to freshen up the taste. I didn't this morning though. What I'm working on is chokers. So I didn't get a chance to do any other chokers yesterday because I was working on some other stuff. So I am going to do a couple now. I really do need to clean my workspace. And I said that on Saturday. I said, okay, I'm going to come in here. I'm going to clean my workspace up. I'm going to, throw some stuff away, store some stuff. Did I do it? No, I didn't do it. Y'all see this table? No, I did not do it. I need to do it. And I think I'm going to do it. Just don't know when I'm going to do it. So right now, I'm going to use the polka dot beads. Just take a couple of these off and I just put them on here. So I am going to use these. And I got my wire. So I'm going to make it like I did it yesterday because I do like it with the little small beads in between. And because I am going to be using some of these beads that got the dot of red, I'm going to be using the little small 8mm pearls. These like a rust color, red color or something. So I'll put this on. And then I do like, because I looked at that other necklace once I finished it yesterday. I put it on the neck display. And I got a chance to look at it a couple times by surprise yesterday. So I like to do that. Because that's like people up close and personal. Sometimes you may not see, different character issues that at some point you might not want to be bothered with. So it goes with the jewelry. Sometimes I like that already. Sometimes you can make a piece. I know for me, I can make it and finish it off, and then I'll look at it. I'm like, I don't even like that. But then by then, I finish off the end of it. So now I got to cut the wire off. And I never waste wire. I always can use it some way, somehow. So I'll put the little green ones on here. Put one on that side. Put one on this side. Oh, and some more resources that came to my attention. That's already cute like that. Came to my attention is people that have podcasts. So they have podcasts and they interview people with businesses, right? So I've reached out to a couple of them so I can have their information placed in the digital magazine. That's already pretty like that. That's really nice. I would wear this fast, quick, and in a hurry. This is really nice. I like that. But anyway, the placement. So I reached out to a couple of them so I can get information from them, like doing the research, trying to get all their information. Like if they have a YouTube, I want to see the YouTube. I want to see, what they do with the interviews. Like once they interview businesses, and like, where do you put that information? What do you do with that information? What's the reach for that information? And then I'm going to put Those resources are going to be in the September edition of the digital magazine. So a couple of them I'm kind of familiar with. So we'll do this one. And then that's the whole objective, brand awareness, making people aware of what it is that you have and who you are. So that's the good stuff about it. And that's the plan for the digital magazine. That's really pretty. For the digital magazine is to, have resources like that in the digital magazine, in addition to businesses that might fund businesses. Somebody might be saying, you know what, I want a storefront. Or you know what, I just need a small little grant to help me to get my website developed, to help me to buy supplies or whatever it is that a small business might need. So those are some of the resources that are going to be in the upcoming publications of the digital magazine. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. I love it's the beads. Man, that's nice. This is only the second one though. I'm making 6 for my client to pick from. She wants 4, but I'm gonna make 6 for her to pick from. So this is the second one. Like I said, I didn't get a chance to do nothing yesterday. I was working on the website and the finishing up the digital magazine, and I'm just about done with that. There's so much information that is valuable information, that can go in the digital magazine, that it's almost hard to not keep putting information in it. So what I'm gonna do is for the flip magazine, I'm gonna just have limited pages in there, and then I am going to have the full digital magazine available for download on the Jewelry by BDK website. Oh yeah, that's really cool. Let me try it on my neck. Let's see. I think I'm gonna put 2 more. And I didn't want to put the smaller beads up here because I do like the way the beads marry together. So I don't always want to be putting spacer beads. Y'all already know that ain't my thing. But every once in a while I will do it. Let me try something on my neck. That's good. So I'm gonna just take it. You already know I pinch it. Oh, you know what I might have to do though, because the hole is fairly big. So I am going to, let's put the small beads to close it off. I use a green one. We'll put that one. And then if I got another, I was gonna put a red one. I don't have another red one over there, so I guess it'll have to be green. Y'all already know I will mix and match. That's pretty though, just to top it off. And then let's do this. Fold it over. And then we wrap our wire. I know you guys can't see that, but that's how it ends up looking. So let me close off the other side. I pinch the wire, and it generally is folded down like this, and I pinch it with my fingers and close it. Somebody had said one time before, she was saying that, Darlene, when I found your channel, she said I was baffled by, like the way you do what you do. She said because she had gone to classes and, all type of things, and there's a different way that you learn, I'm sure, in classes, how to make jewelry and, all these different things. And like I was saying, I didn't go to classes. I didn't, do any of that type of stuff, and not judging it or looking down on it at all. I just happened to, and I think I've told the story before, I used to make leather and suede jewelry. So making the leather and suede jewelry, I wasn't into beaded jewelry. So the leather and suede jewelry was very different. A pair of scissors, some E6000 glue and, little pieces to glue here, glue there, just to make it look really pretty. But I wasn't into the beaded jewelry. And then when those small businesses went out of business, I enjoy making jewelry so much. I said, well, you know what? I could start making some beaded jewelry. So I started, making the beaded jewelry. Just literally buying a couple of supplies, buying some beads, and, just doing whatever came to me. So I didn't go to classes or, learn from somebody that's, considered to be a pro or something. Took what God gave me, and here we are, posted. This is really pretty. This is really, really pretty. That's really, really pretty. I like that. I am going to, where's my jump rings? Me and these jump rings and lobster clasps, I can't find nothing. That's what I'm saying. I'm going to take one of these off of here. I need to clean everything off because stuff is just sitting everywhere. I can't find nothing. So I'm going to just put this little jump ring on here for now. I will finish this off. Just want to give you an idea of what it looks like. This is really pretty. I think she's going to really like these. And see, it's the beads. This is really gorgeous. This is really, really pretty. I am going to, because I got some white beads drying right now. So these beads right here are going to be white. And then, not these beads particularly, but I got some beads drying that are white, the 25 millimeter. I think I'm going to do some 30 millimeter too. I might do the 30 millimeter. I'm going to do some of those in a minute. I'm going to make them, the 25 millimeter are going to be white. And I'm going to do just different color dots, all different color dots. And then I'll make a couple of black beads that are 30 millimeter, right? I'll make those black. And then I'm going to put the same dotted colors on there. So the 30 millimeter will be here, 25 millimeter here, and then the 20 millimeter will go up. And I think what I'll do with the 20 millimeter is I will make those different colors, and then put the different colored dots on them, and then that'll be a different necklace. In fact, I'm going to do that right now when I get off of camera. I do those beads real quick. So this is one of the other ones. I really like this one. I do kind of like the little spacer, like, ooh, wait a minute. I think I like that. But I don't want just plain. I'm going to dig around here and see what I have as far as like these 8 millimeter beads. And I know I got some somewhere. I do have a lot of the frost beads, like these color beads right here, but I don't want everything with these. I have some small black ones. I know I have some of those pearls, those little 8 millimeter pearls like these that are all different colors. Those are kind of everywhere too. So I really, really like this. This is really pretty. So I'm going to get busy working on those other beads. And then this is this. Oh, I got a couple more questions too, though. I got a couple more questions about to be featured on the cover of the magazine and the inside. October, November, December are the 3 months that I'm leaving it open. So the schedule literally is going all the way into next year. So I had so many submissions that came in and that are still coming in, like different information about people's businesses, about their brand, community events, like all type of things are just coming in. All this information is coming in. And I expected that because remember, I did this before with the Vibing on Films digital magazine for movie and television stuff. So I am getting some information for those too, like the flyers and asking for placement. And when you start doing that, you start getting contacted by PR firms. And the PR firms promote the different events movie premieres and all that type of stuff. And these people are like on strike. So I'm like, I don't know how y'all sending stuff, but you know, some of these shows are still fairly new. That's like, what's the name of this one? Annie's Kings of Barbecue. So that show is fairly new. So information came in for that one with Cedric the Entertainer and Anthony. There's also some more information that came in for what's the name of the show? At Your Age, with Yvette Brown and Kim. I forget Kim's last name, but those three ladies. So information came in for that. So that's a placement that's in the upcoming digital magazine. A nice little write up about that, just some information and stuff. But there's a lot of information that's coming in. And remember, as these people submit, they're being added to the email list. So every time the digital magazine goes out, these people are now receiving the digital magazine. So they send me something, they get added to the digital magazine. So that means now they get introduced to you and your brand by way of that digital magazine, be it on the Flip magazine or on the jewelrybybdk.com website, where they can download the complete digital magazine. So the digital magazine that's going to be on the website is fuller, thicker, more information than what will be on the issuu.com website. So that magazine will have limited pages. However, on the website, it would be full, 40, 50 pages. It just depends on the, on the information I deem important enough to go in there. So that's pretty much what it is. So remember that email list is growing every single day. It's growing with the names and emails and things of people that are in important places doing important things. And that's why I'll always be saying that quality. And many of you have reached out to me again. I got a couple emails yesterday and some the other day where you got, and also comments on the YouTube channel that you guys are working on your website. You're working on this, you're doing that. And that's good stuff. And I want you guys to be a part of it. I want you to be a part of something that is growing if you are serious about what it is that you're doing. And a lot of you guys are. And I appreciate that about you. I appreciate you riding shotgun with me. I appreciate you riding on the trunk, holding on to the bumper, grabbing on to the doorknob, whatever it is that however you holding on, keep on holding on and let's ride this thing on out, because I'm telling you, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. And those of you who understand the opportunity, take advantage of the opportunity, because it's an opportunity and it is media. So I'm building it to a point where it is media, and it's going to be media that is recognized. The whole objective is our brand will be ads in the digital magazine, right? So the magazine will have community information, like what people are sending me as far as information. So community information, entertainment information, some business information that will all run throughout that magazine. And our brands will be the placements, like advertisement throughout the magazine, in addition to other brands. Like I got something where a guy makes he makes some type of something for cigar smoke to get rid of cigar odor. So it's some type of something that he made. It's some type of cream or something you put on your hands or whatever, because I'm assuming that cigar smoke is like really bad, according to information I got from him. So it's like stuff that's coming in, and it's like, it's really professional, like the way he has everything put together. A lot of these people are, a lot of them are some new artists. I got information for new artists. So there's a couple of new artists that are in the digital magazine. So I'm just saying, guess what, family? I got a lot to do. I got a regular job to work today. So I'm getting ready to go do that. Actually, I'm going to do these beads first so I can have those done with the black and white. And then so I could polka dot them different colors. I'm going to do that. So that'll be the third necklace. This is really pretty though. What y'all think? I like this one. I've been to wear this with myself. She might not even see this one. Okay. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. And guess what, folks? We'll talk.